Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Pradeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 6.3 of chapter 6, that is square and square roots. So let's see our sixth question today. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided. Now this is divided. Previous question is for multiplication. So as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So this means same thing we will do now also as we did in our previous question. First we will do prime factorization, then we will do the pairing of the factors and we will see which factor is not in pair. In previous question when you have to multiply, in that case the factor which is not in pair, same number or same factor we should again multiply. But now in division we will do the same thing, but now we will divide instead of multiplication that factor which is not in pair. So after doing that we will find our new number and then square root of that number. So let's see. First is 252. So let's factorize this. 252. So 2 ones are 2. So this will be 126. Then this is 63. So in the table of 3 this is 21. So now this is 7 and 1. So let's write the factors here. So 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So second step is pairing. So this is in pair, but this is not in pair. Since 7 is not in pair, so we will divide our given number by 7. So we will write since 7 is not in pair, therefore 7 is whatever they have asked you, smallest whole number. So 7 is the smallest whole number by which 252 should be divided. Okay, so what is the new number then? So new number will be 252 divided by 7. Okay, so let's divide it. 7 3s are 21 and then 4, 7 6 are 42. So this is our new number. They have also asked us find the square root of the square number. So square number is 36 and what is square root of 36? As we already know, this is 6. Okay, so this is the solution of first part. So what we have done is we have done prime factorization. We have found the factor which is not in pair and we have divided our given number with that factor. Okay, so let's see the second part. This is 2925. So let's see whether this goes in the table of 3. So 3 9s are 27, then 2 is remainder, 3 7s are 21. Yes, it goes. Okay, then again we can check with 3. So this is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 25. So now 3 table it will not go. Okay, so since this is ending with 5, so we will divide this number with 5. So 5 6 are 30 and then 5 again. So 13 5s are 65 and these are the factors. So we will write 2925 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Okay, so now this is in pair, so we should divide our number by 13. So we will write since 13 is not in pair, so we should divide 2925 by 13, right? So what will be our new number then? So new number is 2925 divided by 13. So we have two methods where first is you should divide it in a normal way. Second is since we are going to divide this with 13, so this 13 will be eliminated and just find the product of these factors. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 into 5, or you can say 5 5s are 25, 25 into 9 is 225. Okay, so this is up to you how you want to divide, right? So this is our square number, and then what is the square root of 15? This is square root of 225 is 50. Okay, so this is our second part. Now let's move on to the next part. So let's see our third part. This is 396. So let's first find the factors. This is 2, 1, 9, 8. Okay, then this is 9 and 9. So 99 in the table of 3, then 11 and then 1. Okay, so 396 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. So these are in pairs. So we should divide our number by 11. So we will write since 11 is not in pair, so we should divide our given number, that is 396 by 11. Okay, so what should be your new number then? As I have already explained, 396 by 11. First thing is you should divide it by here. Otherwise what I will prefer is, since we are going to divide this 396 and these are the factors. Okay, so 396 can be replaced with this and then divided by 11. So this will be cancelled. Answer should be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, and when you need to find the square root of 36, first thing is, you already know that square root of 36 is 6. Since this number is simple, so you can directly write. Otherwise, see, this is already eliminated. Okay, so according to the square root method, this is in pair, this is in pair. So what will be our answer? 2 into 3, that is again 6. So let's see the fourth part. This is 2 6 4 5. Since this is ending with 5, so this will definitely go in the table of 5. So 5 5s are 25, then 5 2s are 10, 529. In previous question we know that 529 is a square of 23. So this will go in the table of 23. Okay, so what are the factors? 2 6 4 5 is equal to 5 into 23 into 23, right? So only 23 is in pair, so we will divide our given number by 5. Since 5 is not in pair, so we will divide, what is the number? 2 6 4 5 by 5. Okay, so new number will be 2 6 4 5 divided by 5. So as explained, so this 5 will not be here now. So 23 into 23 is 529. So we will write 529. And what is square root of 529? So imagine now this 5 is eliminated. Okay, so 23 into 23. So what will be the square root? We will write the paired factor only once, that is 23. Okay, so this is very easy. Otherwise, you again need to first divide them, then again factorize it and find your square root. But if you do this way, this is going to be very easy for you. So this is our fourth part. Now let's see the next part. So let's see our fifth part, 2800. So we will factorize 2800 first. So 2, it will be 1400. Then this is 700. So 230, 350. Then this is 1, 7 and 5. So now let's check. 3 5s are 15. So it will not go in the table of 3. So we'll check with 5. So 5 3s are 15 and then 2. So again in the table of 7. So this is our factor. So we will write 2800 is equal to 4 times 2, 2 times 5 and 1 time 7. So here we can see that 7 is not in pair. So we will divide our given number with 7. So since 7 is not in pair, so we divide 2800 by 7. So what is new number? So new number is 2800 divided by 7. So this is very easy. 7 4s are 28. So we can write 400. Okay. And square root of 400. Again we know that this is 20. Otherwise see this will be eliminated. So 2 1 time each factor. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay. So we can write this also here. So this is 20. Okay. Next is 1620. Again an even number. So we'll start with 2, 8, then 1 0. So this is 405. So now 405 will go in the table of 5. So this is 81. 81 we know that this will go in the table of 3 also. So 27. Then this is 9. And this is our answer. Okay. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now we can say that 2 is in pair, 3 and 3. We have 2 pairs of 3 but 5 pair is not there. So we will say since 5 is not in pair, so we will divide our number with 5. So we divide 1620 by 5. Right? Then what is the new number? So new number is 1620 by 5. So again we will not use this and we can multiply all these numbers or we can directly divide them. This is your choice. So answer will be 5 3s are 15. So this is 324. So what is square root of 324? So now since this 5 is not there, so 1 2 will come, 1 3 will come and second 3 will come. So 2 into 3 into 3. So this will be 18. Okay. So with this part our question number 6 is over. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.